How to download Google Docs on your laptop. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download Google Docs on your laptop. For that you first need to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. As you guys know, Google Docs does not have a dedicated application that you can download on your PC, but there is a workaround that, so watch the video till the end. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Google Chrome, and on the search bar you're going to go ahead and search for Chrome, and then click on colon / and then apps. Hit enter, and here you'll be able to see all of the Chrome apps, and you will see the Docs right on top. What you're going to do next is right click on Docs and then click on create shortcut. What this is going to do is create a shortcut on your desktop, your startup menu, and you can also pin it to taskbar. If you want it on all three of these, you can check all three boxes, but I'm just going to create a desktop shortcut for now. Now click on create. And if I go to my desktop now, as you can see, the Google Docs shortcut has been created on my desktop. If I double click on it, it will run on my Chrome, but it will run as a different application on Google Docs. So you can also create a shortcut from here. Click on the three lines right here, scroll down, click on cast, save, and share. And now once you have done that, click on create shortcut. And once you've done that, click on create, and a shortcut will be created on my desktop. So another shortcut has been created here. So if I open it up, it will open up the different menu that I've just created a shortcut of. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.